In this video, I am going to solve one problem under the topic superposition theorem. This problem is not given in the gate question. I am solving one example problem only. So the problem is find the current IL passing through 6 ohms resistance for the given network. So the given network is this one. Okay, it consists of two sources. One is voltage source 3 volt and other one is current source 2 amps. So here we are having 3 loops. So we know about superposition theorem. What is a superposition theorem? When we apply the superposition principle, we can find out the total response by adding of individual responses. Individual responses means one source is applied at a time and we can find the response. That is the individual response. So here two sources are there. One is voltage source, other one is current source. So we have to apply one by one for the superposition theorem. So we have to find the current IL which is passing through 6 ohms. Let me solve the problem. So to find IL which is passing through 6 ohms, we can take IL as the total response, that is equal to IL dash plus IL double dash, where IL dash is the response due to 3 volt alone and IL double dash is the response due to 6 amps alone. Okay, 2 amps alone. So IL dash, IL double dash. So let me solve the problem. So first to find IL dash, the response due to 3 volt alone. We are applying only the 3 volt. The 2 amps is open circuited. The current source should be open circuited and voltage source should be short circuited to find the response. So let me draw the circuit for that. Now the resistance, here also the resistance. Now the current 2 amps is short circuited. Here voltage source is acting alone, 3 volt. Okay, so this one is 4 ohms, 1 ohms, 2 ohms and here 6 ohms and this one is 3 volt. So response is IL dash. Now we can find the response. So here when the current source is open circuited, this will become total one loop. So let me take this loop as, this loop current as I1 and this loop current as IL dash. We can find IL dash through the matrix equations. Okay, so by Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can write the matrix equation directly. So by Kramer's rule, we are writing the matrix equations. So for the loop 1, what are the resistances? 1 ohms and 2 ohms. Okay, so 1 ohms and 2 ohms, 3. And here, these are common for the second loop also. So minus 3. For the second loop, IL dash current loop. So here 4, 1, 2, 6. So 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 for the IL dash and these two resistance are common for the two loops. So minus 3 into, what is the loop current? I1, second loop current is IL dash, equal to, what is the voltage? 3. So here 0. Okay. So now we can find the delta. Determinant of this is 39 minus 9, that is equal to 30. And then we can find directly the IL dash. Okay. So IL dash current is delta 2 by delta. So delta 2 is the replacing second column by the voltages. So here 3 minus 3, 3, 0 by delta is 30 equal to 9 by 30, that is equal to 0.3. So IL dash equal to 0.3 amps. We found IL dash, that is response due to 3 volt alone, is equal to 0.3 amps. So let me find IL double dash. Double dash is a response due to only the 2 amps. Okay. So we are for the 2 amps we are short circuiting the 3 volt and we are applying the 2 amps only for the circuit. Okay. So to find IL double dash, let me draw the circuit. So here voltage source is short circuited as a resistance, and this also one resistance. Here current source is applied here. Okay. So this is 4 ohms, 1 ohms, 2 ohms, this is 2 amps, and here 6 ohms. So this current is IL double dash. So we can rearrange this circuit because it is short circuited. So this 1 ohms and 2 ohms are in parallel. So it will become 1 into 2 by 1 plus 2, that is equal to 2 by 3 ohms in parallel with here again 6 ohms, and in this side 4 ohms. Okay. So here 1 ohms and 2 ohms are in parallel. So we are equivalent that. We are equivalenting that, and then this is 2 amps, and here in parallel with this side 6 ohms, and in this side 4 ohms. Now we are going to find IL double dash through the current division rule. Okay, we are applying the current division rule and we can find out the IL double dash response. Okay, so by current division rule, current division method. What is the current division method? It is a branch current, it is a total current. So branch current is IL double dash. We have to find that 2 amps is the total current. So branch current equal to total current 2 amps into opposite resistance. What is the opposite resistance? Opposite branch resistance 4 by total resistance, that is 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equal to 8 by 10, that is equal to 0.8 amps. Okay. So here IL double dash is 0.8 amps. So what is IL dash? We found IL dash is 0.3 amps. So the total response equal to sum of individual responses by a superposition principle. So that is IL equal to current passing through 6 ohms equal to IL dash plus IL double dash, that is equal to 0.3 plus 0.8, that is equal to 1.1 amps. So the total response is 1.1 amps when we apply the superposition theorem for the given circuit. The answer is 1.1 amps current for the IL. Thank you.